Physics Universe. Today we're gonna play with Snap Circuits Extreme, and Snap Circuits Extreme has 750 projects, and we're gonna make a series of this. And today it's day 1 of the series. We're gonna make some projects. I'm gonna show you the Snap Circuits Extreme parts, and I'm going to start the series today. Let's get started. Let's open the box. This is the first compartment. Wow. I wonder. Look. Tell you what's inside the box. This is the battery holder. And there's 2 battery holders. This is the other one. This is the music. This is the alarm. And this is the space wars. This is the snap wires. They have multiple size. The maximum size is 7. And there's snap wires like 1, big like 1. This is the one snap wire. This is the circuit base. This is where we're going to build our projects. This is the RAM. There's 2 RAMs. These are the registers. There's lots of white registers. This is the capacitors, and this is the whistle chip. This is the push button. This is the slide button. This is the LEDs. There's 2, one red and one green. Now let's check the next box. This is the fan. This is the vibration. This is the speaker, and this is the solar battery. There's 2 spring circuits in the piece. This is the books. And now we're going to start our project 1. I'm so excited. Project 1, that is electric light and switch. This is the base. And this is the battery holder with batteries. This is the sliding switch. And this is the snap wire here 3. And this is the lamp circuit. Let's start building project 1 circuit. Now my circuit's completed. Let's see how it works. Wow, it's so amazing. With this help of switch, I could turn off the light and turn on the light. To explain in how the the current is flowing. First to the lamp, from the lamp to the snap wire to the key, and key to minus. When the circuit's open, the current cannot flow, so then the light is off. And when I close the circuit, means when I make the circuit on, the current can flow to the light. Now let's start with project 2, that is DC motor and switch. Now project is completed. Now let's see. Wow, it's so nice fan. In this episode we did 2 projects. In the next episode we're going to do more projects, and make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click bell icon to get notifications when we upload our new videos. Till then, bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in our next video.